Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the shadow levels in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here in the Lightroom app we have to go into the gallery and select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it and wait until it loads and opens up. And here in the bottom, in this little slider, we have to select light. This opens up this little pop-up, and here at the shadow slider, we can either decrease or increase it. Move it either side, and then this affects the photo in the following way. If you decrease the slider, move it to the left, then the shadow parts are going to become darker. And if you do the opposite, then the shadow parts are going to become lighter. So you can play around with it and set it to the way that it best suits your desires. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.